what is happening in the prices of commodity right now, especially crude oil and silver, because crude oil, it is pumping towards the upside. Once again, it broke the $65 mark and is now pumping towards the upside. For me, it is no longer uncertain, and will I enter in a new trade or not, followed with silver and gold as well. I'll be discussing each and everything in today's video, so let's get straight to the point. Discussing about silver and gold first, and I'm on the silver's daily time frame chart over here, and as you can see, the prices of silver is kind of sideways only, no, I would say, any major movement. As you can see, after this huge dump towards the downside, we are seeing a little bit pump towards the upside and kind of a sideways market only, and a little bit pump. You can see low, higher low, new higher high, and nothing much in the market right now. The volume is also very low, as you can see over here. If I zoom in, you can see the volume is pretty low as well, and we can see that yesterday, that is Monday's candle, opened gap up, as you can see, but today's candle dumped all the way down till approximately $84.93 level, and it filled this gap. So, well, the price is kind of a little bit volatile right now in silver, because it dumped all the way down till 84.9 and then again pumped again towards the upside. Little bit buyers are still activated in the market, but I mean, obviously, after this huge massive crash, most of the people are right now in fear, so they will fear a lot in buying silver and gold for now. And am I taking any new trade in gold and silver? To be quite honest, no, because the prices of gold and silver are very uncertain to me, and obviously they are getting manipulated a lot. And right now it is in middle of nowhere. So taking a trade right now over here, I mean, it's just absurd for me. And to be quite honest, I can go in a long position over here, because there's a very simple logic that the price of silver can make a new all-time high soon. But that is just a very logical, I would say, statement, because as a trader, and I mean, I know technical analysis and how to do the analysis, so I will only enter in a long position or a short position or buy any asset whenever I see a perfect setup being made and with couple of convictions, rather than just going with my guts and following my emotions. So for now, I'm personally not taking any trade. And to be quite honest, there is nothing much in the prices of gold and silver. If you watch my previous video on commodity, you already know that right now it is very uncertain, and no one can predict the exact top or the exact bottom for gold and silver, or the levels like where it will move in the next upcoming few months. But for now, I'm just avoiding taking any trade. I'm just watching the charts. We can see today's candle is again dumping towards the downside. There is a little bit gap over here, which, to be quite honest, I mean, this is not a any major gap over here, but most probably the price of gold can also dump approximately till minimum $5,111 level to fill this gap. But overall, again, same as with gold also, I'm not taking any trade in gold, and just by seeing it, we can see the prices of gold is again pumping towards the upside a little bit. Let's see. I mean, that is why I was saying that this dump that happened, this is nothing in comparison to the dump that I'm expecting more from gold and silver, because this is just phase one of this dump. To be quite honest, I am expecting a major dump in the price of gold and silver, because it's still overhyped and it is still overbought as of now, and this dump will for sure liquidate mass traders. But for now, again, no one knows when that dump will happen exactly, and I also don't know, to be quite honest. No one knows the exact top or the exact bottom of any asset. And yeah, that's pretty much it for gold and silver. I'm not taking any trade in any of them as of now. I'm just avoiding going long or short and just watching the charts. Talking about crude oil, prices started to pump towards the upside very rapidly. This is a very crucial level for me, this $65 gray zone. I hope you can see over here. So this is a very crucial level for me, from $65.4, $65.9. This is not kind of any support or resistance level for me. I don't consider this to be as any major support and resistance level, but it's more like a fundamental level, or I would say a psychological level for me, because according to me, whenever the price of crude oil goes above $65 mark, it becomes more certain rather than being more uncertain, according to me again. So yeah, I mean, I can take trades in crude oil more confidently as compared to when the price of crude oil is sub 65. So right now, am I taking any trade? Personally, I'm not taking any trade. Why? Because the price right now of crude oil is below this important level over here, from $67.2 approx to $68.13. This is a very crucial resistance for crude oil as of now. And to be quite honest, I'm not taking any trade until and unless the price of crude oil does a breakout of this level along with a retest. Then only I may enter in a long position. But for now, I'm not taking any trade, and don't copy trade me. I'm not giving any trading signals over here. Just learn trading on your own. I'm just sharing my own analysis and my own setups. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't copy trade me or anyone else. Also, you have to learn trading on your own and perform it on your own only. And right now, the price of crude oil is again stuck in levels. So personally, I'm not taking any trade. I'm just avoiding it. Let's wait for the price of crude oil to at least go above $68 level. Then only I will consider taking any trade. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. The prices of crude oil right now are pumping towards the upside from the past couple of weeks, and it finally broke above the $65 level mark. And to me, it is very, very positive, because now I can take trade in crude oil more confidently whenever it will come near many of my levels. And talking about gold and silver, well, I'm not taking any trade in any of them as of now, because they are obviously, as I mentioned in my first part of the video, it is already uncertain for me and very manipulative still, very volatile. And to be quite honest, it is better to not take any trade right now and just watch the charts, do your own analysis. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. What do you guys think? Are you taking any trade or not in gold, silver, or commodity, any other commodity as well, in UK oil or platinum or any other commodity? Do comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time.